Hello people, welcome back to the episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video for those acne prone people out here. Now this video is going to be about tips and tricks that I would tell you throughout the video, how you can avoid acne if you are from an acne family or you are oily combination skin type. You should definitely watch this video because there are a lot of tips and tricks, and stick to the end because I'm going to give you 5 bonus tips at the end in like few seconds. So without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So as I told you, I am going to be talking about acne, and I am specifically going to be talking about the causes of various kind of acne and why do they appear on your face and how you can avoid them. So first I'm going to be talking about how acne is caused due to your hair. So when hair comes onto your face, it actually can cause a lot of acne. Like when you have acne on this region, it is probably because of your hair products or your hair. And if your hair is all the time on your face like mine is right now, but I'm trying to keep it away from my face, try keeping your hair away from the face. So whenever whatever hair products you're applying, make sure after applying those hair products you're cleaning your hairline. That's very important that you clean your hairline with something that's little gentle on the skin. So yeah, first thing is clean your hairline. Second thing, when you are going out, when you're traveling or when you're sitting under the fan, a lot of time your hair is all over your face. Again, you should either be tying your hair back or putting a hairband, because hairband, you get that freedom with the hairband of keeping your hair open, but at the same time you can keep it away from the face. So use a hairband. When you're traveling out, we all like that open hair, but again, if it is coming on your face, you can actually use scarf. You can use it in so many different ways. And also dandruff is a very important reason, because when we scratch our head or generally when dandruff is falling, it can fall on your face and cause a lot of acne. So make sure you scrub your scalp when you're washing your hair, or you just try to keep that dandruff off your face. That's another thing. There are many anti-dandruff shampoos that are available in the market. There are many hair masks. So when it's itchy and you have dandruff problem, just wash your hair. And yeah, you should keep the dandruff off your face. Acne due to stomach issues. Now we all don't pay as much attention on what we are intaking. We always try to clear our acne from a top routine, like you apply products, you do things from externally, right? As much as they would help, what is going to help you best is actually your gut. When your gut is healthy, when your stomach is working properly, that's going to make sure your skin is looking healthy, radiant, glowy, and you won't have as many acne. Now, how you can avoid stomach issues is, well, eat fibrous food, eat fiber-rich food, drink lot of water. I keep this 1 liter bottle with me all the time filled with water, so that I don't skip on drinking water when I am thirsty. Even when I'm not thirsty, I'm just sipping on water throughout the day if I have that bottle with me. Coming to the third point, it is excessive cleaning of our face. Yes, we all think if we have acne, we should be cleaning our face, like we should be washing our face 3 to 4 times a day and do so many stuff. Well, keep it as simple as possible. I belong to oily combination skin type, so what I am going to show here is according to my skin type, but I think this is what my dermat suggested me, so I'm telling you what I do. Okay, so during the morning time, my dermat said that there is no need, absolutely no need of using a face wash in the morning, because we have washed our face thoroughly at night. So during morning time, you can either splash that cold water, ice water, that is what I do. That adds glow to your skin. It at the same time calms down the swelling or redness that you have on your face. So just in the morning, splash your face with plain water. It can be ice water, it can be rice water, it can be rose water, whatever you prefer for your face type. That is what I do, and after that I follow it up with a nice toner, and that's my morning face wash routine. And then I follow it up with a skincare routine. So that is pretty much all you need during the morning. And coming to the night time, what you need to do is you need to double cleanse at night, because we have been out and about throughout the day. We have so much pollution and all going around us. So you make sure you double cleanse. Even if you don't use makeup, you don't use anything else. I personally don't use makeup every day, but I definitely use skincare and serum and sunscreen. So to take all of that off, I use an oil-based cleanser. You can use any makeup remover that you like. Coming to the fourth point is going to be hormonal acne. Now I have one here. You can get this. If you can see this, there is one acne here. If you get acne around your chin or jawline, that is probably a hormonal acne, and it is caused due to sometimes when you have your periods around, you can have hormonal acne. Other than that, you can also have it due to intake of dairy, soy, sugar, and all of that. So if you avoid intake of all those, probably your acne will settle down if it's an hormonal acne. Next point, that's fifth one. If you have excess sebum production, well, that is when you have extremely oily face, what you should be doing is using salicylic acid as your major ingredient in your skincare. You can use a face wash that has salicylic acid, you can use a body wash that has salicylic acid, or you can use a serum. What I do is I use a serum because now, thank God, touch wood, I don't get acne as frequently. So I use salicylic acid as my spot correction on my face. That helps quite a lot for my acne. Other than that, I think salicylic acid face wash is also a great cleanser if you have acne prone skin. So you can use that 3 to 4 times a week, and that would help exfoliate your skin gently, very gently, and ever so mildly. And then you can use a salicylic acid serum that's going to make sure if there's excess of sebum production, it is going to control that. And those are the 5 points that you can use to keep acne away from your face. Now here is something bonus that you should be listening to very carefully. Now this is something that we do in everyday basis, but we don't realize that this can actually cause acne. First is the cell phones. Now our cell phone screen can be really dirty. So if that comes in contact with your face, it's going to cause acne definitely. If you have acne here around this region, please make sure your cell phone is clean when you're touching it to the face. When you're using makeup brushes, make sure your makeup brushes are clean, because if you don't clean them frequently, there is going to be a bacterial buildup on your makeup brushes, which can again result in acne. Second tip, clean your makeup brushes. Third one is going to be change your pillowcases regularly. Many of us ignore our pillowcases, but they are very major reason of causing acne on your face. So change your pillowcases frequently. One important thing which you all should be guilty, I am not guilty of, thank God. Ever since I realized, I have never used a face towel. Now if you are the one who use same towel for your hand wash, for your hand cleaning, for your body cleaning, and same towel for your face, well, don't do that. You're doing really bad for your face. Try to keep a different towel for your face and different for your body or hands. Don't mix them up, because the bacterial transformation from here and there is not good for your face. And that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. And if there's anything else that you want me to make videos on, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. Until next time, take care. Ta-da.
Yeah.